Are you excited to explore one of Paris's most charming secrets? Welcome to Discover, Learn, Travel. Come with me as we amaze ourselves in the magical Jardin du Luxembourg, a place where history, beauty, and tranquility come together that will make memories that will stay with you forever. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our travel adventures. Number 1. 23 hectares of parkland in the 6th arrondissement. Paris's 6th arrondissement lies the Parc du Luxembourg, a massive park covering 23 hectares. It's like a huge green getaway from the busy city streets. As you walk around the park, you'll see the Luxembourg Palace, which is now where the French Senate meets. It looks like something out of a fairy tale with its grand design and fancy gardens. Then there's the Medici Fountain, which is a magical spot in the middle of all the greenery. It was made by Marie de Medici too, and it's got these pretty nymph statues and flowing water that makes it super peaceful. There's always something fun at the park, like art shows, concerts, and even pony rides for kids. And if you just want to chill, you can picnic on the grass, check out the flowers, or sit on a bench and people watch. Parc du Luxembourg is more than just a park. It's a mini vacation right in the middle of Paris. It's no wonder why both locals and tourists love spending time here. Number 2. Lingerie. Lingerie, found in the beautiful Tuileries Garden in Paris, is a famous museum showcasing incredible art. Originally built in the 19th century to protect orange trees, it's now a hot spot for art lovers. When you step inside Lingerie, you'll feel like you're in an art sanctuary. The museum's big windows let in soft light, making it perfect for enjoying the paintings. The star of the show is Claude Monet's Water Lily series, displayed in 2 special rooms that make you feel like you're in Monet's garden. But there's more than just Monet. You'll find paintings by other famous artists like Renoir, Cézanne, and Matisse. Each painting tells a story with its colors and brush strokes. Lingerie has a cool history too. Napoleon III built it as a greenhouse, but in the 20th century, it became a museum. It got a makeover by architect Camille Lefebvre in the 1920s, turning it into the museum we know today. Nowadays, Lingerie is a must-visit for anyone who loves art. It's a place where you can see amazing paintings and feel inspired by the beauty of the Impressionist movement. Number 3. La Fontaine Medicis. The Fontaine Medici sits right in the Luxembourg Gardens in Paris. It was built in the 17th century by Marie de Medici, who wanted to make a special place inspired by her hometown, Florence. She hired a sculptor named Tommaso Francini to design it. The fountain tells a love story from ancient mythology with sculptures. Over time, more sculptures were added, making it even more beautiful. People love visiting Fontaine Medicis because it's a peaceful spot in the busy city. You can walk around the gardens and enjoy nature and flowers and even go for a boat ride in the pond. Number 4. Musée du Luxembourg. The Musée du Luxembourg used to be a royal palace in the 17th century. Later, it became one of France's first public museums in 1750. Today, it's all about showcasing cool art from famous artists like Monet, Renoir, and Picasso. When you visit, you'll see a fancy exterior with lots of pretty details. Inside, there are big rooms filled with amazing artworks that change from time to time. You can find stuff from way back in history to modern pieces, so there's something for everyone to enjoy. Besides the art, the museum has other things too. You can grab books or souvenirs at the gift shop or chill out at the cafe. If you want to know more about the museum's past, there are tours and audio guides available. Sometimes they even have special events and workshops. Number 5. The Bandstand. The Bandstand sits right in the middle of Central Park, NYC. It's like a fancy outdoor stage with cool iron designs and a pretty roof. People built it a long time ago, and since then, it's been a big deal for music and hanging out. Lots of famous musicians have played there, and it's not just about music. It's a spot where locals and tourists chill out, have picnics, and enjoy the park. The Bandstand is easy to get to, so anyone can go check it out. Number 6. Sense of serenity and romance. The Jardin du Luxembourg in Paris is like a magical garden that makes you feel all romantic and peaceful, whether you're walking with someone special or just chilling by yourself. It's right in the middle of the city, and it's super pretty with flowers, statues, and cool fountains. You can cuddle up under the trees with your crush or find a quiet spot to relax near the ponds. Lots of famous artists and writers have found inspiration here over the years. So whether you're looking for a romantic date, a quiet escape, or just something to think, the Jardin du Luxembourg is the place to be. Number 7. Historical exploration. In 1612, Marie de Medici, widow of King Henry IV, ordered the creation of the Jardin du Luxembourg. Over the years, the gardens changed a lot, reflecting different styles and times. They've seen a lot, like the French Revolution. The statues and fountains there tell stories from the past. The Medici Fountain reminds us of its royal beginnings. If you love history, visiting the Luxembourg Gardens isn't just about enjoying a beautiful park, but also about exploring a place that has been a big part of French history for centuries. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of Paris's most beloved treasures. Remember to like, comment, and share this video with your fellow travelers. And if you've ever visited the Jardin du Luxembourg, share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.